Hi, I'm Kim Alan Miranda. I'm the CHES, IMS, and Risk Manager of Aboitiz Construction. Our initiative began as part of the internal innovation campaign at Aboitiz Construction. Traditionally, we built MRF or Materials Recovery Facility for project sites, only to dismantle them later. It's very costly and inefficient. We saw an opportunity to create a reusable, transferable waste management facility with a 10-year lifespan. To test this, we launched the Barangay EcoCycle Resource Facility Project from November 2023 to June 2024 in Barangay Bagong Pook, Malvar, Batangas. It's the host community where our project is situated at. We secured funding in early 2024 and worked with the barangay, our reputations management department, the construction team, and the Aboitiz Foundation. Then by May 2024, the MRF was built. And in June 2024, it was turned over during the Philippine Environment Month and our first ever CHES Month celebration. At first, we aimed to improve our waste management at our project sites. However, we realized our biggest impact was on the communities where we operate. This led us to pilot the project in Barangay Bagong Pook, basically to test the feasibility of the project and help the community improve waste management. Then in partnership with Aboitiz Foundation, we built and turned over the MRF. Initially, shared between Aboitiz Construction and the barangay. Once the project ends, the barangay will take full ownership, ensuring its long-term sustainability. We started by building and turning over the MRF to give the community a dedicated space for waste management and recycling. To ensure its success, we've also conducted an education campaign for the 4Ps beneficiaries, teaching proper waste management practices. Now, Barangay Pook reports to MENRO, the Municipal Environment and Natural Resource Office, to track waste management and ensure compliance with local environmental policies. Since its turnover in June 4, 2024, the project has, number one, reduced segregated waste by 17.5%. We've also decreased landfill-bound waste by 19.39%. We've educated 22 community members, including 4Ps beneficiaries and the members of the LGU. Last but not the least, we've also increased knowledge on proper waste segregation by 7.69%. Following its success, Aboitiz Construction plans to replicate this MRF model in other barangays where it operates. We will continue to quarterly monitor to support the long-term waste reduction efforts of the community. This project has strengthened our relationship with Barangay Bagong Pook, reinforcing trust and collaboration. It also ensures compliance with environmental regulations while demonstrating our commitment to sustainability through responsible waste management. We sincerely thank Barangay Bagong Pook and the Aboitiz Foundation for their support. May we continue working together to promote sustainability and environmental protection for future generations.